Hi students, how are you all? I hope everyone doing well. In this video, we are going to learn about combination of sentences. In the previous video, we learned about although, how to we combine two sentences as a single with the help of although or though. And in this video, we are going to learn about such that. What is that? Such that. Okay. First of all, I would like to tell you about one thing, such that is a correlative conjunction in English. So basically conjunctions are three types. So coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So I think I have an idea I taught you in our school. I think you remembered or not, I don't mind. But in this video, I would like to teach you how to combine two sentences with the help of this such that in a question paper. So it is also very important. Definitely you are going to get a one question based on this. So you need to learn. There is no other chance to skip. Okay, dear students, I hope you can definitely understand me. Okay students, now I am going to write first example. It was a hot day. It was a hot day. Nobody could play in the ground. Nobody could play in the ground. So how can we combine these two feelings as a single feeling with the help of such that? See, basically in this kind of sentences, if we need to combine two sentences with the help of such that, we have to write such. So before a, but if we get any very, the word very in a sentence, we should completely remove this very in a sentence, and instead of very, we should write such. Okay, let us see that kind of example in the further. But now let me write how to we combine these two sentences as a single with the help of such that. So answer. It was. So now yeah. So before a, I used to write such a hot day. Actually, hot day. So here we have a full stop. So instead of full stop in answer, what should we write? That. So it was such a hot day that nobody, small letter, no, n is small letter, nobody could play in the ground. Okay students, so where we should insert such and where we should insert that in the answer, that very important to understand. So if we have any article, so before that we have to write such. We should insert that in answer such. And so where the two sentences are separating with the help of full stop. So instead of full stop, what should we write? That in the answer. Okay students, I hope you understand. Okay. Now let me write second example for better understanding. It was a very interesting story. I read it so many times. So it is a problem now. It was a very interesting story. I read it so many times. It is a problem. So we have to combine these two sentences as a single with the help of such that. So it was a very interesting story. It is a single sentence. I read it so many times. It is another sentence. So what our duty to do now? We have to combine the two sentences as a single. That is our duty. Okay. So already I said you. So if we get very in a problem, we should remove that everything in answer. So how can we do this? So it was. So basically here. So before article, what should we write? Such an interesting story. So here we are getting full stop. So instead of full stop, what should we write? That. That's very great. What is that? That I read it so many times. So many times. So now the answer is clear. See, I removed completely very in the answer. So we should not repeat that because instead of very we are using such. Okay? But here one more thing to change. That is, see, interesting. It is vowel sound. This word started with the vowel sound. That's why we have to write and. So if we are getting a here, but we should write and. Then only the sentence becomes right formation and it will give complete sensible meaning. Otherwise, it won't give us. Okay? So basically this word interesting. So the word started with the vowel sound. Already we have learned everything about articles where should we use. So we know very well about article rules. So whenever a word started with a vowel sound, we should write an article before such all that kind of words. That's why we written. But sir, here we have a, and why should we write an here? Because the situation is demanding us. So we don't have anything in our hands to do. Definitely we should follow the rules and regulations what we have in English grammar. So if you write a, that becomes wrong. That becomes definitely wrong. That won't give us a sensible meaning to understand. So that's why we should write everything properly like this. Okay, students? Okay. Third example. He used very bad words. Bad words. I thrashed him. I thrashed him. So he used very bad words. Is a one sentence. I thrashed him. That is another sentence. So what should we do now? We have to combine the two sentences as a single sentence with the help of such that. That is our duty to do in this video. Okay. So how can we combine this? So answer. So how can we combine? It is answer for the second question. So he used. So what should we write? Instead of very, what should we write in answer? Yes, you write such. What is that? Such. So definitely we completely remove very in answer. So instead of very in answer, we used to write such. So here we don't have any articles. So there is no problem. So bad words. Bad words. So now in a full stop area, what should we write in answer? That I thrashed him. That I thrashed him. He used such bad words that I thrashed him. So it is very easy to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of such that. It's very easy. But what we have to learn, so where we should insert such and where we should insert that in a sentence. That is very important to notice. Then everything, what kind of a difficult problem given in a question paper, we can easily solve it. Okay? So that is very important. Okay, dear students. Now fourth example. The boy has very bad manners. Everyone hates him. Look at the example, very easy to combine. The boy has very bad manners. Everyone hates him. Of course, if we have a bad manners in ourselves also, everybody hates us. Everyone hates us. There is no more problem about that. So that's why what I would like to request, don't develop bad manners in yourself, because that definitely one day spoil your beautiful life. Because as a teacher, what I wish, it won't be happen in every student's life. I don't want to see that, because I just want to be as a well-wisher for you. That's why I'm wishing this to not happen in your life. That's why maintain always good manners. That definitely takes you one day high in your life. That makes only your dream happen. So it will be happen only because of good manners. Okay, just keep everything aside. Now let us discuss about the problem. The boy has very bad manners. Everyone hates him. Everyone hates him. So how can we insert this such that in an answer? Very easy. Of course, but as a teacher, I would like to just give you more examples for more knowledge. That's why I have written this example. The boy has. So instead of very, what should we write? Such. Very easy. Very easy. Bad manner. Bad manners. So here that. Full stop area. That. So E becomes small e in the answer. So we should not repeat capital E. So everyone hates him. Everyone hates him. So the boy has such bad manners that everyone hates him. That is answer. Dear students, basically it looks like very easy, but number of students. I am just explaining and just telling this word with my experience what I had with the students in previous years. So basically, number of students, everyone take always as very easy task, and there is no difficulty to change from combination of sentences are very easy basically. But everybody feel like that. But number of students are doing mistake. So because of their over attitude, over confidence, they are losing marks. But I hope my students who are watching this video are not like that. You are a very responsible student. That's why you can definitely take each and everything as a very big task for you to make your life good in the future. That only happened because of your attitude. Okay? So you should not maintain over attitude and over confidence. That definitely spoils you. So I hope you can definitely understand me. So it's everything looks like very easy, but it's very difficult. Okay? Very difficult because all are very small changes. So instead of small letter, if you write capital, that becomes all wrong. So that is the power of mistake in a grammar tasks in English. So we should not mistake that. We should not mistake. So each and everything, if we change properly, then only we will get. So if any one part of the sentence, if you do any wrong, definitely we can definitely lose complete mark. That is the situations happens in English grammar in English. Okay, so I hope you can definitely understand. Because why I am taking this lag? Because of course it is a very lag matter. So why I am explaining? Because number of students, because of their overconfidence, they lost the marks. So I don't want to see that mistake from you. That's why I took this lag conversation. If it is a lag matter, but keep it side. Come to the task. So the boy has such bad manners that everyone hates him. Okay. Okay, students. I will complete this such that there is one more example. That is fifth one. Russia is a big country. It has 11 time zones. 11 time zones. So I will complete this such that with this final example, please. So answer is very easy. Russia is. So here we are getting article A. So before that we need to write such a big country. So after this full stop area, what we have to insert in the answer? That it. So here we have to write small letter. So already I remind you that in the previous example. So number of students are doing mistake here, either here or here. So please don't take this as a silly way. So please maintain some seriousness to learn everything. Okay? Of course you understood everything. Okay, but I am very happy because as a teacher I will be very proud of that attitude from you. But if you take all this in a easy way, I won't accept. If you have a talent, I hate you. Okay? So it has 11 time zones. Okay, students, it is the answer for this problem, and I hope everyone understood everything. And please don't forget to note down everything in your answer sheet and keep such that and write down every 5 example under this, and after that you can continue what I would like to teach furtherly. So everything first though all though. So after this such that, and do not forget to maintain date and day. Okay, that is also very important. Definitely one time will check everything. And thanks for watching this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, everyone keep smiling and keep learning. Don't forget to take more practice in this section. Thank you.